Hey, this is $37 on 50% commission, $97 50% commission, and $17 per month on 50% commission, and $67 on 50% commission. And this is the easiest way to earn money online just doing this affiliate marketing. And if you wanna, I'd like to share this one about my February payment, which I have obtained or earned from this affiliate marketing, $929.82 just doing this affiliate marketing without any types of previous knowledge or experiences or any type of website. At present, there are lots of people are making money online by using their simple tips and tricks. I think affiliate marketing is one of them. This is the best and smartest strategy. Yes, I want to share about affiliate marketing. So if you want to earn $413 plus daily doing affiliate marketing without a website or no invest or no scale, you can start from this website. So I want to share about this strategy step by step. Let me show the details to know from this website. If you make money online, keep watching step by step. Hey, this is Learning and Earning TV. In every single day, to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, and I cordially request to subscribe the channel and click the bell button to get all types of amazing latest learning and earning related videos from my YouTube channel. If you are interested and you wanna make money online just like this, and keep watching. If you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more with your friends to get all types of latest informative learning and earning related videos from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Now this is called the monthseye.com, and now I want to introduce about monthseye.com. Lots of people have spoken about this awesome interface, I mean about this website. You can work on this website without any skills or without making any videos easily. Take a look at a glance. There are lots of products altogether. You must choose for affiliate marketing for free. At present, you have to choose the product and promote the link. As you can see here, this is the first product, Mario Brown at all BR agency, $36, $67 at 50% commission. I think this product is 17 to 26%, and this product is about 36 at 50% commission. So you can choose any types of product from here easily, just free or without using any types of website or any types of previous skills or knowledges or experiences. You can start your journey as an affiliate marketing on this platform. So you can follow this strategy over and over for a long time, but you have to choose the recent product from here, and I mean upcoming product. So all right, now click on this product and come to this product to choose easily. So if I click on this product from here easily, and I would like to share about the total interface to choose which topics you have to use to start your free marketing on this website here. And after coming here, you are watching this banner, and about this banner, Neil Napier from here, and just click on this interface. And after coming here, you will get about this all informations about this banner, and I mean Neil Napier. So he has launched these products, and Neil Napier et al. YP Niche Strom, Neil Napier Social Client Courier, and FB Timeline Maker, FBN Maker, FB Business Finder, Instant Local Leads, lots of commission-based products he has launched, as you can see here. And just if you click on this Zappy page on here, you will get another interface, and after coming here you are watching this one, and if you want to understand all together, you have to read and you have to watch this video to understand before starting your work on this website. So, and then what should you do step by step, I want to share after a few minutes. This is very important to promote the link for earning easily. I mean this link. Now I want to share another website. This is called medium.com. medium.com is such types of website. Lots of people are working by using this medium.com. I think this is pretty cool site, and lots of affiliate marketers have been using to promote their various products for earning without any types of website or social media marketing. Come to this Google first time. If you come to this Google and search on my traffic Zaker review, you will watch lots of reviews on this Zaker reviews on different types of websites. I think this one is marketings.com. My traffic Zaker 2.0 review, get access plus exclusive bonus, and this is another website which has been arranged their reviews on trafficzaker.com. This one is another website, my traffic Zaker 2.0 reviews and demo and 50% off. There are lots of websites you can get an idea by watching the video from this interface, and you can read all types of information about traffic Zaker review before starting your work. On the other hand, if you search on this google.com, just site medium.com, my traffic Zaker 2.0, you can choose or you can get an amazing or latest information or get an idea just coming to this interface. And if you come to this interface here, and I would like to open this one, my traffic Zaker 2.0, best way to generate traffic. So this is the awesome strategy. I think you can get an ideas from here easily to make free page or free articles to promote your links all together at a glance. Mind it, all the medium reviews as you can see here, and thus Google will index that website again and again which has that product with article, and I mean Google will index it in the first and second page, and people will search to know about this. So let me show how will you do or how will you start it without any types of website. If you come to this first website which I shared with you, this is called manseye.com. You are watching lots of products, I think big launches and all launches on this product. From here you can source easily, and if I search on this product first product I think, and if you will get these features, and after coming here you have to choose this product, I think affiliate network on this. So just click on this here, and you have to create an account on this Zappy page. I think zabizo.com. This is an awesome and pretty cool website, and after coming here and provide your all the information, so you have to create your account really just on this zabizo.com. and then what should you do? And then you have to click on this affiliate product, and then product finds here, and after finding product, what should you do? I have chosen this product, and these are amazing features about their commission 50%, this 50% all together, and there are lots of opportunities to earn extra cash by using this interface. And what should you do? And first of all, you have to click on this Zappy page, and after clicking on this here, you will get this interface, and I described it before. To know about this total features and total ins and outs, I mean details or features about this interface by watching this video or read all the criteria from this interface. And then just click on this get link here, and clicking on this here you will get this interface, and you have to fill up the information whatever you like. Request permission, fill out the following forms to request permissions to promote this product. So just fill up and write whatever you like here, and up to 255 words you have to use on this box here. Just click on this box and click on this box and send the request for approval, and getting your approval you will do another thing. So after coming to this medium.com, and you have to create a free account on this website, and after creating on this website you have to click on this picture on your profile and just click on this new story. So what should you do here? You have to you have to write a title on that affiliate products. I think if you choose this product from here, my traffic Jacker 2.0, reviewing the most awaited traffic generating app of 2020, should you buy it? So you have to read all the informations from here, and just you have to copy from this description to provide on your medium.com. and first of all you have to write an eye-catchy title about that product and give the description on this page and provide the affiliate link. Boom, this is the best and easiest way to create your affiliate links. I mean decorating your articles by reading all types of criteria about that product. This is the easiest and best strategy, and after doing this you have to copy this one and provide the links all together on this selected platform, I mean medium.com. On the other hand, if you want to earn more and more or again and again, you can share these articles with links, I mean affiliate links on various types of social medias like Facebook, Twitter, and other social medias. This is the best and free method to earn extra cash from your home without any types of previous knowledges or experiences, or without any types of hiring any people or any website. So I have shared all together in this video how will you make money online. Wow, this is the total features of my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, I cordially request to subscribe this channel and like and share more and more with your friends. So at a glance I would like to share the total videos. First of all, I have introduced about the monthseye.com. You can choose any types of product from here and just go to the medium.com, and you have to create an account just for free, provide all types of informations, and come to this google.com. If you search on my traffic Jacker review, you will get lots of informations, and then what should you do? And affiliate product links you can choose from here. On the other hand, if you search on Google site medium.com my traffic Jacker 2.0, you can get an amazing idea to write an article about that product by using medium.com. Provide all types of informations, I mean all types of informations, and the picture. And how will you get this picture? I would like to share the simple strategy. Just open your snipping tool and just click on this new and select the rectangular snip and just crop this one from here and just save it on your PC, I mean desktop or laptop altogether, and you can get it easily. And after coming here, you have to provide all types of informations on this medium.com, and after clicking this one, you have to add your picture from your computer easily. So this is the easiest way, I think. Whatever you like, just select this product from here and boom, this is the easiest way. And all the text from here you can add on this page easily, and just click on this plus icon, and you can add an image from your own splash easily. And then if you click on this icon here, you can get you can provide or you can add a video on this here. So just add an embed, and just if you click on this here, add a new post. So you have to use the old icons to make an awesome article about this product easily. So this is the best and easiest strategy. After doing this one, you have to click on this publish. Boom, this is the easiest way, I think, to publish your product, I mean free affiliate marketing product on this medium.com. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I cordially request to watch my previous videos. Just click on this playlist here if you want to make up your golden career by using different types of strategies, or if you want to create, if you want to be a professional freelancer, I would like to request to watch all types of videos from my YouTube channel, and lots of articles and lots of videos have been published on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Again, I would like to request to share more and more with your friends, and like, comment if you have any question. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.